Standard system kits are available fitting to this type of the device, as well as the fixation and operation method. System kits always consist of a mounting plate, and, in case of MCCB kit like UC262PN, also lateral supports. Normally, the backside row is used for fixation. The front row is used when a rotary handle is used. We need 25 mm at the top and bottom. To start in the middle of the case, add the measurements of the other system kits. In this case, 60 centimeters. Refer to these markings, skip a row and install there. Check for symmetry in this position. The front plate can be simply hanged and then screwed in. To install a MCCB beside an ACB compartment, you have to install depth brackets. Leave 30 centimeters headroom for the component. Skip a row, and here's the optical marking for the functional profile. Install bracket at 16 centimeters in depth. Finally, install the front plate as you normally would.